Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 3.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 4.9% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.8% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Chinese leaders all but acknowledged that the country would miss its annual growth target this year, while signalling that they would stay the course on zero-tolerance COVID prevention measures and take only cautious steps to support the struggling property market. El Salvador's finance minister defended the country's strategy to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, even as critics urged the nation to ditch the experiment as the cryptocurrency world suffers through a bear market. The US dollar slumped to a 3-week low versus the Japanese yen and struggled against its other major rivals as markets ramped up bets on a softening in the pace of rate hikes.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The French gross domestic product will be released at 0530 GMT, Australia's producer price index at 0130 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT. Japan's annualised housing starts will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's construction orders at 0500 hours GMT. The US personal income at 1230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.